What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Smooth, and you already know what's happening. The best chef of the banger. And see by the title, it's another lit video. Now look, this video is gonna be basically, man, it's just gonna be telling y'all, stop doing this to your beard, bro. You're literally fucking your games up, no cap. And I ain't gonna do too much talking, man. We're gonna jump right into it, but before we do that, leave a like for me, subscribe to the channel, give me the 12K, let's run it up, you know what I'm saying? But enough talking, bro, let's jump right into this, because I can't take it no more. I promise you I can't. So the first thing first, man, and I really just wanted to say this off the rip because it's like one of the most important things, and I keep seeing this, bro. Like, I see people get a fresh-ass line, and I'm like, bro, your shit crispy as hell, you know what I'm saying? They've been on their beard journey. I've been following them on Instagram. I've been seeing them with Babyface. Now I'm seeing them with, anyway, the main thing, bro, the first thing I want y'all to stop doing, bro, stop cutting underneath your beard, bro. I'm tired of seeing that shit, bro. I'm tired of seeing that shit. And like, to each his own, bro, to each his own, but I'm trying to help you. Like, if you want your shit to look fuller, and my shit trim right now, but if you want your shit to get that depth, like when it get long, bro, you have to stop cutting underneath your beard, bro. Like, stop doing this. Tell your barber, look, line my beard up as high as it can go, and don't cut underneath here. If you do cut underneath here, just line it up at my neckline. Remember that, bro. Cut it at high, line it up as high as it can go, and don't cut underneath my beard. Just line it up on my neckline. Tell your barber that. Stop cutting your shit underneath your beard, bro. I don't want to see like skin under here, bro. If you can grow hair under there, just tell your barber stop cutting it. And why? It's because you messing your gains up. Like I said a while ago, bro, you stopping your beard from looking full. Stop your beard from looking full, and also just take away your gains, bro. You don't want to be growing your shit so long and this be long, and then this, I ain't gonna lie, I made this mistake when I first started growing my beard. I used to do that shit. I used to have that triangle cut underneath my beard, and it would look weird because my beard up here would be long, and then my neck, it just look weird to me. So stop doing it. That's number one. Number two, look, man, stop picking on your beard. Like, I know it's a habit, man, especially if you got short hair, because if you got long hair, 9 out of 10, you're gonna be playing with your hair. If you got short hair, it might be a habit to play with your beard. And you don't want to do that, man. We human. I know you're going to mess up. Okay, if you do it once, it's not the end of the world. It's not going to kill you. But if you constantly, all day, all night, you picking on your beard, you playing in it, you touching it, all this stuff, you pulling it, you mess up your gains, bro. And for one, your hands are one of the most dirtiest things on your body. You feel me? You touching everything. You got to think, you transferring that to your hair. And your hair is all about growing. You want to keep it as clean as possible. You know what I'm saying? And the more you pull on it, and the more you tug on it, you also causing like tension to your hair, which is going to cause it to fall out. It's going to cause it not to grow as thick. And it's gonna cause it to, you basically just manipulating your hair, and you don't want to do that because your head hair and your facial hair is just different, because your facial hair is more like sensitive to certain things. We're gonna talk about this later. It's why you can't use like certain soap, shampoo on your beard versus your hair, because your hair can like withstand more, like your scalp is like stronger than the follicles on your face. So stop pulling on your hair, stop twisting it, don't do none of this shit, you know what I'm saying? Just keep it P. Number three, this is another thing, don't want to forget to condition your beard, you know what I'm saying? Now, oil is not really conditioner, you know what I'm saying? Oil is basically a sealant, to seal in the conditioner, to hold everything in. So what I like to do is I like to condition my beard first, and then after that, I condition it, like I rub it in my hand, and then I get the oil and I rub that, then after that, that's when I go in with my comb. So, like I said, you condition it first, because that's the moisturizer that's gonna keep your beard soft, you know what I'm saying? And the oil is basically gonna seal it, in, you feel me? So that's like how I do mine. And don't forget to condition, man, because if you forget to condition, then you're gonna take the softness away from your beard. Your shit gonna still grow using the oil, because you still moisturizing it, you know what I'm saying, in a way, but you're gonna take away from the softness of it, you know what I'm saying? Now you see certain people have them beards that just look soft like a pillow, and then you have some people have like the brittle looking beards, and that's because they really don't condition that shit the right way. It's kind of like your head hair, like dreadlocks kind of different because you don't want to condition them like that, but if you got an afro, you want to keep it conditioned for it to be soft, and it's the same thing with your beard, Number four is, now this one is not really necessary, but it's just gonna help you. It's just something that, like, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna add to the juice, you know what I'm saying? And what it is keep your beard protected. Now, you might say, how am I gonna keep my beard protected, bro? I don't have a wave cap. I don't have a, you know what I'm saying? But crazy, man. Hold on. There it goes, right here. Look, go to the bearded ones, man. Link in the description. I got these beard wraps, bro. These are, bro, this is the best thing, and they're rare. You know what I'm saying? You can't find them in the store. You can only find them at certain spots. And to show you what it look like, I wear mine every night. I keep it right there on my bedstand. It's silk, you know what I'm saying? Got the silk material. You feel me? Silk material. Put it on like this. And I swear to God, bro, I'm not saying this, I swear on my life, this shit is comfortable. Like, you really don't even feel it on your face, bro. You can go to sleep on it all night. It don't get hot, and it's perfect. It's just like this. And this if you, like, depending on, it don't really matter what stage you at, you feel me? This is like when you get done conditioning your beard and you putting the oil on there. You don't want, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to put all that on your pillow. You know what I'm saying? Just a weird feeling, and it's get your pillow dirty and you rubbing off your gains. So invest in this. I think they're like $10, maybe $5 or $10 or something on the website. Check it out, man. Get you a beard wrap. Protect your hair. Every night. I'm not saying try to do it as much as you can. Try to do it every night. But if you miss a night, it's not the end of the world. You feel what I'm saying? But just try to stay on top of it, bro. This is only going to help you out. Only going to help you get the gains. No cap. Tip number 5, man, is don't use regular shampoo on your beard. Like the same shampoo you wash your hair with, your hair with, don't use on your beard. You need to find you a beard wash. Now, they can go to different beard websites. You can go to Walmart. You can probably find a decent beard wash. You don't want to use your regular shampoo because, like I said, what I was saying earlier is your head follicles and your face follicles are completely different, you know what I'm saying? And the shampoo is made completely different. Your head hair can withstand a lot more, you know what I'm saying? So the product is a lot more harsh, feel me? And your beard can't take that same, feel me? So you want to just keep that in mind. Now, again, it's not going to kill you if you accidentally, you know what I'm saying, get this shit on your face and you have to wash it. It's not going to kill you. But just try to be mindful. When it's a wash day, try to get you a good beard wash that work for you. You like the smell, you like the texture, and wash your beard. And don't overwash your beard, but just find you a one day out of the week and wash your beard. And that's it for this video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Hopefully y'all got something out of this video. And remember. If you don't remember nothing else I said in this video, remember, bro, don't cut underneath here, bro. Don't, man. If you're doing that, if you already don't got it done, it's cool, bro. Don't cut your beard off. Keep what you got. Just from now on, just start growing it, bro. I'm never gonna tell you to start over, cut your beard, and then go, because it's really kind of pointless, you know what I'm saying? Because shit gonna grow anyway. It's just gonna grow at its own pace. So stick what you got, man. Just remember that. Don't cut underneath your beard. If you had to go back and write something down or take screenshots of this video or something, do so. It's only gonna help you out. But enough talking. I'm out. Peace.